So what we're going to do now is we're going to assume that we have a large count that was created in a word processing document, and what we want to do is we want to import that count into the grand jury typing system and have it be included as part of the instrument that is going to be created. The first thing to notice here is that there's some instructions. Instructions are pretty straightforward. You're going to be asked to initially create a text file from your word processing document. I'm not going to go over too much now, but basically you would be saving the file out as a TXT file, and you would then be importing it back into to this program. And so there's some instructions on how to do that. If you have any questions, you should call us and we could help you out. The things to think about is that this conceivably could fail because of some problems with the formatting of your original document, and reasons why that might happen is that you might have more than 75 characters in the length of the count in one of the lines. You also might have inserted some odd fonts and those types of things. So if you have a problem like that and you error out, we're going to remind you as to some possibilities you should look at, and you should go back in and make such changes and again bring the document back in. So let's go through the process. I'm going to be importing from a file. I'm going to click Browse, and that's going to point me to my standard My Documents folder. I'm going to find the file, and this is count 784. Actually, it was of a true indictment, and I'm going to click on that. And we could see that this is the path for that file name. The thing also to keep in mind is that you only want the text to include the count number and the actual text. You don't want it to include the headers or anything else pertaining to the indictment. You want to make it just purely related to the count because that's how it's going to appear. So once I've identified the file, I'm going to hit import. The file is successfully imported. There are 323 lines, and you can see how it came out. And again, if for some reason it failed, you would be told that what the possible problems are, and you can make changes.